Okay, so editor suggest share suggest selections. This setting controls whether remembered suggestion selections are shared between multiple workspaces in Windows. And this setting actually depends on editor suggest selection. So you have selections, you have suggestions that come from previously used code, right? So this setting actually controls how suggestions are pre-selected when showing the suggest list. For example, if you use console.log, when you write console.again, it will suggest .log because you just did that, right? So these suggestions are selected based on its recent use. And this setting here controls if you're going to share that between different windows and workspaces. Now, if you're working on the same project in different windows, then well, different workspaces, I guess, wouldn't make much sense. But sometimes you want to have different windows and even more than one monitor, and just work. Have several files opened and several windows, and you want to have these suggestions be shared between them. If that's the case, set the setting as true. I like to focus on one file at a time, and so I just have one single window open per project. I do have several projects here, but when I'm working on something, I'm just working on one. So I'm going to leave this one as false.